What's going on, guys? Biker Dave in a 2017 Dodge Durango RT, but this will apply to many different Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler models. If when you use your sun visor, here it covers pretty much everything. But if you notice, when you turn it to the side and you complain because you see there's still a gap there, and quite often the sun is like right there, blinding you, and you're going, wow, I wish this thing were just a little bit longer. Well, if you just grab a hold of it and just pull, it slides on the rod and will cover the entire door so that you don't get blinded from the side. There you have it. Check out our other videos. We got tons of stuff about this car and many other cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, motorcycles, all kinds of cool stuff on our channel. And look for our social media links in the description. And if our video taught you anything or saved your life or whatever, make sure you click the thanks button that's underneath the video screen. And the same with any monetized YouTube video. Click that thanks button, send a donation. Everyone will appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later.